Title: Grade, a measure of achievement. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word grade. A grade is a rating or assessment given to measure the quality or performance of something, such as an academic assignment or a product. It signifies the evaluation and measurement of achievement. Pronunciation. Pronouncing grade is simple, grade, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, the grade on your school project reflects the level of effort and quality you put into your work. Importance. Grades are an important tool for assessing progress, providing feedback, and motivating individuals to improve and excel in various areas of life. Conclusion. In summary, grade is a word that represents the measurement of achievement and the pursuit of excellence. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the value of grades as a tool for self-improvement and success.